salami sandwich are way better.
Yeah.
Way better.
No, they're not.
Boys, if you accept
What was that guy's problem?
We were talking about Dora the Explorer.
Doors.
No, Dora cannot be. No, she can't be.
Dude.
Is that the freaking Jehovah's Witness again?
Dude, what the heck?
Y'all want some crazy juice?
Sure. Thanks. Dude, that was really, really weird.
Dude, I wonder what this crazy juice tastes like, man. Wanna try some? It's not bad. I don't feel it.
Crazy guy! Let's do crazy stuff together! Where are the pickles? Where are the pickles? I don't need any more purple whales in my life!
Dude, that was awesome. Outside, crazy montage, crazy guy.
Yeah.
No, not Dora! Steven's wrong, man! What is your problem? I'm through with this.